Now we're going to check in with Nick.
Yeah, good Monday morning. Of course, somewhat of a wild weekend for a lot of folks, especially as we begin some of the cleanup efforts, some of the recovery efforts in western Kentucky, parts of northwest Tennessee, and into the Missouri Boot Heel and even northeast Arkansas as well. This morning, though, a pretty quiet morning, a lot of frost, especially on some of the car windshields. We have had a light wind through a good part of the overnight hours, so maybe not as much frost as we had around yesterday morning. 29 degrees, though, in Mount Vernon, and occasionally we have seen the breeze from the south push wind chills back in the lower 20s. So bundle up this morning. A lot of sunny skies expected. Winds will turn out of the south through the afternoon hours. That's going to help usher in some slightly milder air. We're going to be back in the low to mid 50s this afternoon. Looking ahead to the rest of the week, Wednesday brings our warmest day. We will once again be talking about near record warm temperatures Wednesday afternoon. Mid-December, upper 60s and lower 70s. But another strong cold front set to arrive by the second half of the week. At this point, don't worry, there's no chance, at least we don't anticipate any chance for severe storms, but we do expect some thunder, some lightning as a possibility Thursday. That's our next cold front, and quite a bit of wet weather as well shaping up here for the second half of the week. Checking in this morning, we've got mostly quiet skies. We've got high pressure in control, and we are on the western side of that once again, so we will see the light south winds around here through the afternoon hours, and we've got you covered today in southern Illinois, Mount Vernon to McLeansboro, 53, Benton at 53, Marion up to about 54. Same in Pinckneyville there, and Carbondale up to about 55 degrees. Southward into western Kentucky. Mayfield today, where of course they're doing a lot of cleanup, 55 degrees, sunny skies, south winds. Murray also up to about 55, and then across southeast Missouri, Caruthersville up to about 58 degrees. Malden, Missouri at 56, and Poplar Bluff at 57. We do anticipate a chance for a couple showers late Tuesday night and into Wednesday, but for the most part, most of the wet weather will hold off until the end of the week. Thursday looking more and more like a washout as a strong cold front will move in from the west. The timing for this is really first thing on Thursday morning. Notice a lot of wet weather moving in. It's about 10 a.m. or so. That will be just watching the cold front at that point make its way in from the north and west. And then that front settles south. However, if this ends up making its way back to the north, it would bring some of that rain back to the north as well, especially on Friday. So something we'll track as we get a little closer. But right now it looks like some of the heaviest rain likely to impact parts of northwest Tennessee, the Missouri Boot Heel, parts of western Kentucky. Again, that comes in here Thursday, Friday, and possibly even into the first half of the weekend. Rainfall amounts get a little lower in some of our northern counties, but pretty confident that everybody is going to see some rain coming up later on this week. 54 today. We're back in the 60s. On Tuesday. Strong winds as well on Wednesday afternoon. Some gusts over 30 miles per hour. 67 degrees, though, well above average, about 25 degrees above average for this time of year. Thursday morning, that's when we'll see those high temperatures in the lower 60s and then falling temperatures through the afternoon on Thursday. The rest of the week, Friday, as that cold front settles just south, we're talking high temperatures in the lower 50s, some more wet weather in the forecast. That front continues to move south of our region on Saturday. Still some showers lingering around. Low to mid 40s for highs. Eventually, as the colder air begins to spill in, though, we will cool down by Sunday morning, waking up in the lower 20s with afternoon highs back into the lower 40s. So